Good afternoon, everybody. Alan from TFT Trailers. Got another piece of inventory in today. This is our second 2023 20-foot. This is a 7,000 pound GVWR, so this gives you about a 5,000 pound payload capacity. This particular one we did order with the fairing on the front and a few other options, but one thing that's really cool I like is we did the trailer in the charcoal gray metallic, as you can see, but we did the fairing and we did the fenders in black. Kind of gives it more of a two-tone, just kind of break it up, something a little bit different. I think it looks really sharp. This trailer is also winch ready, so it does have the toolboxes in the floor, and then they are upgraded to the deep toolboxes. Watch out, crazy girl. For 2023, I also have a new winch mount, if she will get out of the way. Instead of the 2-inch receiver tube that we were using, that is still available, but we now have this winch mount that mounts directly to the floor. It sandwiches the center support that runs the full length of the trailer also. As you can see, it actually has the place for the roller fair lead. I see a lot of winch mounts that are like weld-on, bolt-on winch mounts, but they don't have the place for the roller fair lead, and your winch comes with it, so then you're kind of stuck. Not, it just doesn't work properly. Crazy girl loves the trailers. She loves to drink the water off the trailers. Say hi. Like I say, deep toolboxes. As you can see here, this toolbox here is already set up for the battery. It's got the battery tray and the battery hold down. And it's got the positive cable run from the charger. There is a charger up underneath the trailer that's tied into your 7-way plug. So when you are plugged in, it will be charging this battery. Then you've got room for straps, wheel chocks, whatever else you might possibly need. 6,000 pound swivel D-rings. Like I say, the fiberglass fairing on the front. As you can see, always a spare tire and wheel. Tandem torsion axles, 4-wheel brakes. They are self-adjusting brakes. If you're not familiar with torsion, this trailer doesn't have any leaf springs or shackle straps and all the moving parts that are high wear items. These are torsion. They're made by Dexter. They've been around for a long time. It basically gives you independent suspension, makes the trailer ride better, and anything that's on the trailer ride even better. So a lot of you guys' cars and stuff, I mean, it's a nightmare to be going down the road and realize that the straps come loose because the trailer's bouncing around too much. As always, LED lights, 6,000 pound swivel D-rings. I may have already said that. It's getting close to turkey, so I'm thinking turkey instead of trailers right now. But if you want any more information, guys, don't hesitate to go to our website, TFT Trailers. You can also look us up on Facebook. Please do and follow us. I'm trying to increase my subscribers so I can get more information. Makes it easier for me to advertise and where to advertise and stuff. And since this one's is already rolled back, we're doing this video a little backwards. So I'm going to set the camera down right here. We're going to do a reverse load. When you get ready to pull forward, you turn this 90 degrees, leave everything else just the way it is. Get in the truck. Engage your trailer brake control by hand. That is a manual override. What's that doing is that is engaging all 4 brakes on the trailer. With the empty trailer, I could probably pull forward with just the parking brake. But if I had a vehicle on there, it needs just that little bit of help to get it where it'll start rolling forward. And then listen for that clunk. When you hear the clunk, that means that the pin is engaged. But as a safety, we always tell everybody to walk back here. Check to make sure that the pin is engaged, and it is. And then as a double safety, there's a little safety pin that goes right here. And if that safety pin will not go in the little slot right there where it's designed to go, that means your bed is not all the way forward. Always release the parking brake. It's funny, when I do deliveries, I tell everybody, always release the parking brake, because if you don't, it's going to burn the brakes up on the rear axle. I also tell people, do not loan a quick load out to your buddy, because they will forget to release the parking brake, and then they will burn up your brakes. I think that's it. Thank y'all very much. Have a good Thanksgiving.